In this challenge, we have to declare a constant for pi, and instead of defining it as roughly 3.14, we're going to use the math.pi property. I have a video on that, so feel free to check it out. Then we need to read a number which denotes the radius of a circle. And here in the comments, they say that to read some inputs, we need to use a function called readLine. Then they continue, we need to use pi and r to compute the area and perimeter of the circle. Then we need to print that area and also the perimeter. The input is going to be a single integer, which is the radius. And to pass this challenge, you simply need basic logic. This is how you can pass this challenge. I have my constant variable, and then here I have math.pi, and then I get the inputs for my radius, and I print the area of the circle. So to print that area, I'm doing that in the console log statements right here. So for the area, it's going to be pi multiplied by r to the power of 2. And then I have my perimeter, which is 2 times pi times r. You can get these formulas from Google if you've forgotten. Once you've calculated these values, simply log them to the console like I've done here. You can run this code now. We've passed the sample test case, and we are done with this challenge. So that was day 1. This challenge was called Let and Const. And if you like my solution, please subscribe and I'll catch you next time.